In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change header color on Shopify. To get started, log into your Shopify admin and go to Online Store, then Themes. This is where you manage the look and feel of your storefront. Find your active theme and click Customize. That will open the theme editor, where you can preview changes before publishing them. Once you are inside the editor, look to the left sidebar and click the gear icon. This opens Theme Settings, which controls site-wide design options for your theme. From there, select Colors. In this area, you will see the color settings used across different parts of your store. Now, locate the header section or look for the specific color scheme currently assigned to your header. In many Shopify themes, the header does not always have its own separate color controls. Instead, it may use a shared color scheme, such as Scheme 1 or another preset. If that is the case, updating that scheme will also change the header color. To change the background color, click the color swatch next to Background. You can then choose a new color using the picker, or type in a hex code if you want a precise brand color. This is useful if you already have specific colors you use for your store branding. If you also want to change the text color, click the Swatch for Text or Outline button within that same color scheme. Make sure the text stands out clearly against the background so your menu items and header content remain easy to read. Good contrast is important for both design and usability. If your theme handles the header through section settings, go back to the left sidebar and click the Sections icon, which looks like 3 stacked blocks. Then select the header section. Inside that panel, look for a color scheme dropdown. If it is available, you can switch the header to a different predefined palette instead of editing the colors manually. This is a quick way to test different looks and find one that matches your store. Once you are happy with the result, click Save in the top right corner. That will apply your changes to the live theme settings. That covers everything you need to know.